the aggregate impact of all of these things going on at once is really, really impactful. We're here in Orlando, and I think back to ASH's past. And as I think back, over 20 years ago, coming to ASH in Orlando, we had almost nothing for MPNs. There was one oral session. We talked about things like splenectomy and radiation therapy. Now we have arguably at least two dozen different drugs that are being discussed, everything from phase 3s to phase 1s in rationally designed approaches for the disease. So I'm just excited by the breadth and the depth of what we're seeing, and excited to see what will be kind of the next thing after the approval of the JAK inhibitors, beyond that investigative space, but what are the things that really are going to be able to be prescribed in hematologist offices in the near future.